Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So now that Christmas is over, I do hope that a lot of you have spent it nicely. It's once again the time of the week for Sunday Shorts, where we do a weekly roundup of all of the cryptos that we covered this week. We covered 8 cryptos, so that's quite a lot. So I'm going to split it into 2 batches. So in this first video, we're going to cover the Star Atlas tokens, POLIS and Atlas, SPS, and Alice. And let's dive in. So looking at POLIS on a daily time frame, unfortunately, we broke through this floor right here of around $6 plus. And I've started to go into our price discovery mode to the downside, just as we said in the previous video. Oh dear. One of the things to note though about POLIS is I was playing around with the Fibonacci charts. It is possible that we may have reached the bottom right here. What do I mean by that? Because if I overlay the Fibonacci, but this time it's upside down, just to account for the impulsive wave to the downside, where this is the 1 of Fibonacci and this is the 0, where the 0 is the local high and the 1 is the local low when the bearish cross happened, the 1618 of around $5.12 appears to be where the price eventually went to before the subsequent consolidation sideways. So in my experience with the crypto space, what typically happens is upsides tend to overextend beyond the 1618. So for example, Bitcoin goes to 2, goes to 2.72, 2.414. But during the downsides, typically they stop within the 1618 region before consolidation and the next wave up. So is this the bottom for POLIS? We shall see. But either way, it's the same strategy regardless. If you believe in POLIS, just DCA accordingly. So for Atlas, in our last video, we did specify that the current systems at play for the game is ships are incentivized over Atlas because basically you can earn Atlas for free just by enlisting your fleets. I did say that there may be a potential play where Atlas price will continue to go down from here. That appears to not have happened, which of course is a good thing because I also have ships that are currently enlisted, so I don't want Atlas price to go down as well. It's just a possibility. I guess one of the good things about the ship prices being so expensive is it incentivizes a lot of Atlas holding rather than just dumping it into the market, because a lot of people are probably coming into the space trying to earn Atlas for free so that they can grow their fleets accordingly. So if you're somebody who's trading Atlas, we are still below the EMAs right here. So we are still pretty much in recovery mode. But looking at Atlas on a 4-hourly time frame, we have appeared to really rally above the EMAs right here. So as long as we hold this particular support area right here, then expect a continuation to the upside. That is of course assuming that Bitcoin will behave in the coming weeks. If you're looking to come into Atlas, it's quite simple. You either own a ship, buy a ship from their store so that you can earn Atlas for free, or this is also a nice opportunity to buy because we are still resting within the key EMAs. And let's move on. So for SPS, unfortunately, we really have hit rock bottom price right here. It's a good and bad thing. One is we have not gone further lower. We are also very, very extended from the EMAs right here. So expect that once Bitcoin really has recovered fully, where it is above the weekly 21 EMA and the weekly 20 moving average, then expect SPS to pick back up. But as long as the crypto markets remain weak, then of course expect SPS to probably hang out here. Will we go down from here? We shall see. Either way, if you're looking to come into SPS, well, we have pretty much hit the floor price, and this is pretty much the very bottom that SPS has ever gone to. So just DCA accordingly if you believe in Splinterlands. And let's move on. So for Alice, one of the good things about it is because we broke out of this particular triangle right here, we do have a technical target of $16.16. We are still on our way there. One of the good things about Alice is in spite of the recent market corrections right here, we are still pretty much hovering above the 21 EMA. So that's a good thing for Alice moving forward. Do expect though that if we march along from here, once we meet the technical target of 16.16, then we may consolidate for a little bit, have the EMAs catch back up with us before we continue on our journey. Once again, if you're looking to come into Alice, this is pretty much a DCA buying opportunity right here. Why? Is because we are adhering to the EMAs right here where we are not far off, we are not overextended. And looking at it from a daily time frame, we are still near the bottom of the range where Alice has been playing since August of this year. If you like that video, hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you want me to make a video about your favorite gaming crypto? Be a Patreon subscriber so you can request for it. Being a Patreon subscriber helps keep the channel sponsor, shill, and Moonboy free. Take care everyone. Bye-bye.